family. Today's video will be how to set up a buffet style table. Okay, I'm using books to bring my centerpiece up to the eye level that I want it to be at. You can use books, you can use boxes. I've done that in the past. And now I'm using a pumpkin color square to add some more color. My centerpiece today, I just took some acorns, some pine cones. These are actually ornaments, Christmas ornaments that I put in to give it color and the height that I'm looking for. Okay, that looks great. Okay. Shaper dishes that I'm placing on the table are 3 quarts. The smaller one is a 2 quart. This one's a 2 quart. The rest are 3 quart. All right, I love the look of this table at this time, but I want to take it to another level. And how I'm going to do that is with my napkins. Bring one down here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just folding back and forth my napkin. And when I get to the end, I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to place it right down in the handles. And when I place it through the handle, I'm turning it. I'm going to pull it down straight, and I'm going to fan. It's really easy, but you'll see in the end it gives your buffet table so much color. Just folding it down through the handle. Just fanning it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to switch the color. I did the tan, now I'm going to do this shaper dish in the orange, and I'm doing the same exact thing. So that I get the same look with all of them. They don't have to be perfect, just pull it down and fan it as full as you would like it to be. Here. And follow up with my tan. The same exact thing. And my 2-quart shaver dish that I don't have handles on the side, I'm just going to dress the top. And I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to loosely fold, actually roll my napkin. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. Placing it through the top of the handle. Okay. Then I'm going to make sure it's like about halfway. Halfway. I'm going to use a rubber band and just wrap it loosely. Just maybe 2 times. Take it around 2 times. Okay. There we go. And now I'm just going to loosen the napkin and zhuzh it a little bit so that I can hide the elastic but yet give it a flare color. and it will still allow you to use the handle just like this. You'll tuck your hand under and lift the handle up. I'm just going to judge just a little bit more so you can get. And there's no wrong way to do this. Once you put your elastic on, just loosen the fabric up a little bit, just to hide the elastic and to get the pop of color, as you can see that I just did. Okay, now you can see how the napkins take the buffet table to another level. You don't have to do that. I just think that it gives it a different look, a more elegant look. But if you don't want to do that, then you can leave the napkins off. You can also fold the napkins. If you don't want to fan them, you can fold the napkins in half and drape the napkins throughout the holders. But I like the fan look. One other thing to just set your table completely off. I'm placing here, I just took a glass picture frame and I wrote menu on there, but what you're going to do is insert a 5x7. This is a 5x7 picture frame. You can place a 5x7 card and you can write it out, whatever your menu is, or type it or print it like I did, and insert it here into your picture frame. And I think that's another elegant touch for your buffet table. I love the way this buffet style table turned out. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'd also like to say a special thank you to Claudia from Special Occasions and Queen Street Linens for my beautiful linens. I'd also like to thank Nicole at Rental World, PA, for my beautiful Schaefer dishes. And if you like this video and you would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And until next time, be blessed.